what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and this is Rimpi Shaha. So in today's video I have Lakme Absolute Facelift palette with me. Now let me take a moment to appreciate this beautiful packaging because I always love the way Lakme send the products. So in this box I have two beautiful palettes. So now one is Sunkissed Glow and another one is Golden Hour. So this is how each palette looks like, and this is the outer cardboard envelope, and you have to slide it to take the product out. So this sleek all-in-one palette includes bronzer, blush and highlighter. This is extremely travel friendly and this is enough to complete your makeup look. And the price of the product is mentioned right here, which is 900, and in 900 rupees you will get 3 products of 5 gram each, and which is very reasonable. And right here the name of the palette is mentioned, Golden Hour. Now let me show you the shades inside Golden Hour palette. This is the blush, this is highlighter, and this is the bronzer. And you will get the mirror also, which is very handy and convenient. Now name of this palette is Sunkissed Glow, and now let me show you the shades. This is the blush, this is highlighter, and this is the bronzer. And I have used this palette to create my entire look. Now I'm going to show you the color swatches on my hand. And this is how they look like on my hand. These are very pigmented and easily blendable. So let me show you how I have created my today's look using Lakme Sunkissed palette. After the base, now I want to add some dimension, or I want the chisel look. So for that I'm going to contour my face. Now for that I'm going to use the bronzer from this Sunkissed palette and applying like so. Now I'm going to add some product to my jawline and drag it down to the neck like so. And the main mantra is blend, blend, blend. The more you blend, the more it looks flawless. Can you see the difference? Now let's complete the other side too. Now I'm going to apply the blush. So Hindi में जो हम बोलते हैं ना makeup पोथना, so don't do that. Just brush it away. Now it's time to apply some highlighter. Now I'm going to apply the highlighter on the highest point of my face like so. Now the final look is ready, and I just love how beautifully it turned out. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you have found this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, I want to inform you that I have already made another video on Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lip Color Swatches. The link is right here. Do check them out. That's it for today. Bye bye. See you in my next video.